Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video. But if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. Some additional information: I hold my file like this with the handle in the palm of my hand, my finger on top, and I just move it like this, and this way I am very stable because this is a square 90 degrees angled hook, and you can use this to straighten out your pieces before you are going to mark them with a scribe tool or something else. So this part is going against the side of my square hook, like so, and I'm carefully sliding this part up, and you can see it in the best way by holding it up against the light. So slide your piece up, and now you can see exactly where the light is coming through and where the piece is already hitting the square hook, so where I have to take something off. You could see in the previous frame that this part was sticking out a bit, and here there was some light shining through. So I'm going to take my file, I'm making sure that I'm holding it stable, I'm placing it up here, and I'm sliding it over there, and I am giving a bit more pressure on this side. You can also turn it around. And all it takes are a couple of strokes, then get out your square hook again and check to see how you're doing. And I am scribing a line along all the sides of my square. And now it's time to drill a hole. And I'm very carefully going to turn on the flex shaft and make a little indentation. And the reason for doing this is because my drill doesn't slip out if I make a little hole. Turn on your flex shaft and very carefully add some pressure, and if necessary take out your drill for a second. And I'm very carefully going to file up to the lines, and you can use your needle files up and down. And it's time to drill the holes. I'm lubricating in between. So. Now clean up your pendant the best way you can by using your files, and next week we are going to make a little bill for it, or a little eye, and we are going to sand it.